Hi, everybody. I am Professor Jodi Magness in the Department of Religious Studies at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. And I am an archaeologist, and I am going to be delivering two lectures in a series titled Herod, the Tyrant of Christmas on December 13th. The lectures will be live but remote. And in the two lectures, we're going to be covering different aspects of the very famous and infamous king, Herod the Great, or we could maybe say Herod the Not So Great. The first lecture, we will be covering Herod's historical background, his rise to power, his setting against the Roman Empire, his relationships with Rome, and all of the complex relationships that he had within his household, his many wives, and the different successors or sons who wanted to be his successors, all leading up to his death in the year 4 BC. So that's what we're going to be covering in the first lecture. Along the way, we will be considering questions such as, was Herod Jewish? What was the nature of his Jewishness? And how did the complex relationships within his household affect his rule? In the second lecture, we're going to be considering a topic that I think is a bit sensational, and that is Herod the Messiah. It's a topic that I've become interested in my own research because I think that the recently discovered tomb of Herod, which is located at a mountain called Herodium overlooking Bethlehem, indicates that Herod claimed to have fulfilled the expectations associated with a Davidic Messiah. And we see this represented also, for example, in his rebuilding of the Second Temple in Jerusalem on a massive scale. So in the second lecture, I will be laying out sort of my case for Herodian messianism, a topic, by the way, that has been explored, but in lesser detail by a few other scholars. And I will be tying it particularly to the area of Bethlehem, to Herod's tomb, and I also will be tying it to the story of the massacre of the innocents in the Gospel of Matthew, which I propose is a response, reflects a response to Herod's massive tomb and the claims associated with it, which literally overshadow Bethlehem. So I look forward to seeing you on December 13th.